Hello people, how are you doing? I am doing great. I hope you are also doing great. So, today in this video, I will discussing about a kind of short video about the smallest dog breed of the world, the Chihuahua. So, let's start the video. So let's discuss about something about Chihuahua. The Chihuahua is a Mexican breed of toy dog. It is named for the Mexican state of Chihuahua and is among the smallest of all dog breeds. It is kept as a companion animal. Breed standards for this dog do not generally specify a height, only weight. So generally height ranges in between 15 to 23 centimeter, or if we calculate in inches, it will be 6 to 9 inches. Currently, breed standards defined by registries specify an apple head or apple dome skull conformation. Its origin is Mexico. Its height is 15 to 23 centimeter. Its weight is 1 to 3 kg. Its coat is short-haired or long-haired. Color always unicolored. Lifespan 12 years or more.